How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can make or create a new shapefile in QGIS. Now, basically, the first thing that you want to do is to just click on the layer option. In here, click on the create layer. And then basically we have the new shapefile option. Now inside this page, you have different properties to add it. But generally, you just want to select your geometry type. In my case, I'm going to be selecting this polygon, and then that's basically it. If I click on the OK button after naming my file right here, let's just name this something like new number 1, and then click on OK. We can now see the newly created shapefile on our layers. And so guys, that's how you do it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.